Hello children, how are you? Welcome to my channel. I'm Radha Online Classes. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the updated videos in time. Let us come to our topic. Today's topic is estimation. Right? It is for class 5th as well as for class 6th. Now, see, estimation. What does this word mean? Estimation means which is not exact. This estimated value means approximate value. What? Approximate value means which is not exact, that is approximate. Now estimation, just now in mathematics, estimation we are doing rounding off the numbers. Estimation how you do? By rounding off the numbers. See, first is what? To nearest, I have written 4 terms here, that to nearest means you have to write round off any number to nearest tens, nearest 100, nearest 1000, nearest 10,000, right? Now let us take the first one. To nearest tens, you have to I have taken one number, one small number, that is 78, right? I have taken one small number, that is 78. Now for nearest tens, you have to round it off to nearest tens. For it, you have to circle 7 and underline 8. Means which is at unit place, you have to underline it, and tens place you have to circle it, right? So at tens place what is there? 7, and at ones place what is there? 8. See. Now 78, if we have to round it off, we have to see it lies between which two tens. It lies between which two tens. Now 78 lies between 70 and what? 80, right? 70 and 80. Now 70 and 80, how we will find out? It will go this side or this side. For that one rule is there. For that one rule is there, that you have to see whether the number is less than 5 or it is 5 or more. 5 or more. Okay, more than 5. Right? Whether the number is less than 5 or more than 5. If the number is less than 5, the number will be same. There will be no change. But if this number, this one number is equal to or more than 5, is equal to 5 or more than 5, then that will go to this side. Clear? This is, so the rounding off means if we round off to nearest tens, this will be 80. So our answer is what? 80. That. So children, let us come to this next one, that is you have to round off the number to nearest 100. To nearest 100. Now I have taken one small number, that is 236, right? I am taking one more number, 3. Okay, afterward I will take. Let us come to this. You have to round it off to nearest 100. Now which place is 100 place? See, this is 1's place, this is 10's place, this is 100 place. So you have to circle the 100 place. So you have to circle the 100 place. Now you have to underline the very next place, that is 10's place, right? So this is 3. Now again, as we have done in 10's case, we will do in 100 case also. Now let us see. This is what? 200. Okay. 200. This whole number, this number 236 lies between 200 and what? 300. Again, if the tens place of this number is what? Less than. If it is less than 5, this tens place is less than 5, then it will go to this side, means there will be no change, it will be 200. And if it is more than this or equal to this, means if tens place is equal to 5 or more than 5, then that will go to this side. Means, now look at our number. This is 236. Now tens place is 3. 3 is less than 5. Yes, 3 is less than 5 means our estimated value is what? 200. Our estimated value is what? 200. So our answer is what? This is nearest 100. Right? Okay. Now let us come to so that it will be clear to you. I have taken 372. Right? You have to see the 100 place. You have to change what? To nearest 100. No? So you have to look here. See 100 place. You just circle it. Then underline the very next place, that is tens place. Tens place is 7. You have to see whether. Okay, it will come. It will 372 means 300 and 400. It will lie between these two numbers. If tens place is less, then it will go to this side. If it is more than, then it will go to this side. 5 or more, then it will go to this side. Now let us see 7. 7 is less than 5. No, it is more than 5. So that will go to this side. So our answer is what? So nearest 100 is what? Not 300. This is what? 400. 400. So children, let us come to the third. That is, you have to round off the number to nearest 1000. To nearest 1000. Okay. So ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Right? You have to circle the 1000 place. And you have to underline the 100 place. Means very next place to 1000. Now again same rule. This number lies between what? 7000 and 8000, right? 7000 and 8000. Again we will see at 100 place, if less than 5 is there, then this will go to this side. If more than 5 or 5 is there, then it will go to this side. More or equal. Okay. 5 or more. Then this will go to this side. So let us see at 100 place, and what is written here? 4 is written here. So 4 is less than 5. So this will go to this side, means rounding off to nearest 1000. It will be what? 7000. Right? Okay. So children, let us come to the next, that is to nearest 10,000. You have to round off the number to nearest 10,000. Nearest 10,000. Here I have written 25,600. Right? Now we have to change to nearest what? 10,000. Nearest 10,000. This is ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Better to write the places above. Its places above. Okay. Now see, you have to round off this one and underline the very next place, that is 1000 place. What is here? It is 5. Okay. Now let us come to the same again. 25,600. 25,600 will lie between 25,000 and 26,000. Okay. It will lie between 25,000 and 26,000. Now, again the same rule. What we will see? We will see 1000 place will be less than, if it is less than 5. If it is less than 5, this will go to this side. And if it is equal to 5 or more than 5, then that will be 26,000. Okay, that will go to that side. So it will be, now see the, what is written here? 5. 5 is written here, so 5 or more, that will go to this side. So it will be 26,000. Is it clear to you children? taken one example. Look here, I have written 45,982, right? Here we have to round off it to nearest tens, nearest 100 and nearest 1000. With one number only, we'll do it. See, what is written? 45,982. For nearest tens, what we need? This one. So circle it and underline it. Now see, it is less than. It will come under what? 80 and 90. Okay. Now 2. You have to see what? 2. It is more than or less than 5. It is less than 5, so it will go to this side. So what we'll write? These all numbers will be same as it is. It will be written. Okay. 5, 9, 8, 0. Clear? Now come to the next. Here it is 82 now. Okay. Now to nearest 100. To nearest 100. Now you have to circle this. You have to underline this. Now you have to see whether it is more than 5 or less than 5. If it is more than 5, yes. If it is more than 5, then this will go to this side. And if it is less than 5, this will go to this side. Now here, one change is there. Look here. See, it is 8. Okay. 8 is more than 5. So we have to go to this side. So now here it is written what? 9. After 9 what will come? 1000 will come, means 900, 1000. This will be 1000, means here we 1. Okay. It will be what? 46,000. Clear? Now let us do 4, 5. It will not be 5. It will be 6. See, as it is 1000. 1000 is 4 digit, not 3 digit. 100 is 3 digit number. But it is 982. So that will come under 900 and 1000. But we have to, as it is more than 5, so we have to add it here. So it will be not 45, it will become 46,000. Right? Now come to the next. This is nearest 1000. Nearest 1000, now see. What do you have to? Which number you have to circle? You have to circle 1000. This is 100 place, tens place, 100 place, now 1000 place. Yes. Now 1000, sorry. 1000 place is this one, no? This is 1000 place. So let us come to this 5000. Now we have to see whether this number is less than 5 or more than 5. This is more than 5, so this number 45,982 will come under 45,000 and 46,000. It will come between this. So as it is more than 5, this will be. Don't worry if both the numbers are same. You can see here both the numbers are same. Here 9 with 9 digit, there will be some changes, so keep in mind this example. Okay. So children, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you and have a nice day.